Okay, here we go. We're getting ready to pull this side off. We got everything prepped. Got the spindle. This is what this looks like. You take your spindle, your original spindle, and you cut the ears off, clean it all up, grind them down, make them look all nice, prime it and paint it. Really nice. And there's the bracket. It bolts to this bracket, which bolts to the caliper. So, huge rotors. We're going to get started on this side. Hopefully it won't take as long. But actually it didn't take very long at all. Just prepping, learning as you go. So, yeah, let's get you some more footage. Okay, welcome back, and check this out. Wow, that is awesome. So now I have to hook up the brake lines, bleed the system, but actually before I do that, I think I have to pull the rear end out of this one and prep the axle. Haven't got that far yet, so I might end the video here just to show you what the front involved. As far as you can see, these are the old hub, or the old spindles. Get down in there, cleaned them really well, painted them, and then you just have to trim basically the back here where this caliper would hit, and then mount the hub, lube it. Wow, look how impressive that is. So, hey man, if you all like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. We're going to bring you some good content. We're thrashing to get this thing to LS Fest. So, not exactly how I was thinking it was going to turn out, but hey, that's all right. You know, a lot of this stuff, you know, it's about the memories and the fun and the people you meet. Met a lot of good friends. So, appreciate y'all checking it out. If you have any comments, just leave them below, and we'll see you later.